Hi everybody, welcome to my DIY channel. It's brand new. I really hope you guys love it. I've been doing art and design pretty much my whole life. I took fine arts for 3 years when I went to school. That was my major. And I also took stuff like photography, makeup artistry, did some graphic design. So yeah, I've done a lot of cool stuff like that. I love creativity. I love making presents for people. I love making presents for me and my husband, just to make our life easier. Sometimes I love to make organization stuff, something that's functional. If I can make something that's pretty and functional, that's kind of the goal. That's kind of like the main thing that I'm looking for in a DIY. I like making things a little more personal and unique and useful. I hope you guys check out my other channel too if you like clothing stuff or like home decor stuff. I like to do textiles for stuff like that, and I have a whole website and a whole YouTube channel just devoted to that sort of stuff. So I really hope you like that too. If you like this channel, please like and subscribe and share it. That would make my day. And also, if you could show me some of the stuff you're making. Maybe, you have some really cool ideas for my channel. Maybe you also have made some stuff for my channel and you want to show it off. That's perfectly fine too. Okay guys, take care. Have an awesome day. Bye guys.